Let's talk about consulting. No, not this kind of consulting. You need a new breed of consultancy. Something made for the digital economy. A consultancy that is fast, fresh, and made by makers. How fast, you ask? Solving problems in 58 hours fast. What? 58 hours? That's right. Our world-class team meets you on a Wednesday. They know your problem. They've come prepared. Dozens of lattes and some crazy 90-minute sprints later, they've solved your problem in 58 hours. And we deliver actual work, not sketches. This is what we call the 58 session, and we love it. And you'll love it too. Then, we're fresh, built for the digital age. Fresh in the way we think, in the way we do business. We love marginal gains and small nimble steps. We don't treat clients like billable hours. Instead, we create products with them. We build teams, train people, and share knowledge. We believe in making and getting our hands dirty, in tearing apart and then rebuilding stuff. That's why we call ourselves consultants and makers. What we make is experience-first, data-backed, beautifully engineered. For us, digital transformation is not a buzzword, it's our way of living. By now, you should be wondering, how do they manage all these things? Do they have some kind of superpower? Short answer, no. We just say no a lot. We made a commitment to a maximum cap of 10 partnerships at any given time, which means we can focus on what is really important for them. That's the kind of consulting we do. Consulting that's fast, fresh, and made by makers. Consulting re-engineered from the ground up. Consulting reborn.